Hi, this is Dr. Michael Breus, the sleep doctor. I'm here for Princess Cruises, and we're asking Wendy a couple of questions about her sleep. Wendy, tell me what's going on.
Ever since I've become a mom, Michael, I find that my sleep has become much less deep.
Yes.
I'm a lighter sleeper.
Yes, dear.
Is there anything I can do to address that?
So this is what I call Mommy-Somnia, right? So as soon as you have a child, instantly the world gets more complicated.
Yeah.
And when it gets more complicated, sleep has a tendency to fly out the window. So the first thing I always talk about with moms is being able to allow your child to sleep and you to really hit that level of relaxation. My favorite technique I have moms do is called the power down hour. So once the children are in bed, let's say your bedtime is normally 11 o'clock. Starting at around 10, chop that hour up into 3 20-minute segments. 20 minutes for things that you just got to get done. So in our house, it's getting the kids' backpacks together, finding shoes, sports equipment, that kind of thing. 20 minutes for hygiene, brush your teeth, wash your face, get into your bedclothes, and then 20 minutes for some form of meditation or relaxation. And that's usually where moms don't have a tendency to do that. They're watching television or on their phones or trying to catch up on email. Really need to make a solid point of taking 20 minutes just to relax. What most people don't realize is that sleep is not an on-off switch. It's more like slowly pulling your foot off the gas and slowly putting your foot on the brake. It's a process that needs to occur, and if you give your body the chance to do it, you should be just fine.
Good, I'll try that. And the other question I have is, there are times when 5, 6 o'clock in the morning happens and I'm awake.
Sure.
And I don't really need to be.
Okay.
What's the best advice you can give to help me fall back asleep again for that precious hour or 2 hours without trying too hard, you know?
Yep.
It doesn't come easily.
Sure. So one of the things I talk about with people all the time is I say sleep is a lot like love. The less you look for it, the more it shows up, right? So really trying to fall back asleep is really the problem that most people have, because it elevates your heart rate, causes more stress. So anything that you can do to help relax yourself before bed is going to be a good thing, or if you wake up in the middle of the night. But I'm going to give you my favorite technique. I know it sounds a little crazy, but I promise you that it works. I ask people to count backwards from 300 by threes. Okay? So let's do it together, all right? So 300, 297, 294, 291, 288, right? So it's mathematically so complicated, you can't think of anything else, and it's so doggone boring, you're out like a light.
So no sheep.
No sheep, just counting backwards by 300 by threes should be okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is Dr. Michael Breus for Princess Cruise Lines wishing you sweet dreams.